Hey everyone, today I want to talk to you about something incredibly powerful. Something that can literally save your health, mindfulness, and meditation. We live in a world that's constantly on the go. Work pressures, social obligations, financial stress, it's all a lot to handle. And guess what? Our bodies are paying the price. Stress is not just an emotional state, it's a physical one too. It can lead to serious health problems like heart disease, high blood pressure, diabetes, and even mental health issues like anxiety and depression. But here's the good news. Mindfulness and meditation can help. First off, what is mindfulness? It's the practice of staying present in the moment, fully aware of where we are and what we're doing without being overly reactive or overwhelmed by what's going on around us. And meditation? It's a technique to train our mind to focus and redirect our thoughts. Think of it as exercise for your brain. Studies have shown that practicing mindfulness and meditation can significantly reduce stress levels. It lowers the production of cortisol, that's our body's primary stress hormone. But it doesn't stop there. Mindfulness and meditation can also improve sleep, boost immunity, enhance focus, and even increase your emotional resilience. So, how do you start? It's simpler than you might think. Find a quiet space. Sit comfortably. Close your eyes and focus on your breath. Inhale deeply, then exhale slowly. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring it back to your breath. You don't need to meditate for hours. Even 5-10 minutes a day can make a difference. There are also great apps out there like Headspace and Calm that offer guided meditations perfect for beginners. And if you're wondering when to practice mindfulness, the answer is anytime. You can be mindful while eating, walking, or even washing dishes. It's all about bringing your attention to the present moment. Remember, the goal isn't to clear your mind completely, but to observe your thoughts without judgment and return to your breath. So, if you're feeling overwhelmed and stressed, give mindfulness and meditation a try. Your body and mind will thank you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on living a healthier, happier life. Take care and stay mindful.